Look closely at these two files. They appear to be identical photos of a dog, but one contains a hidden payload of stolen corporate blueprints. This is steganography. Unlike encryption, which locks a message away, steganography hides data in plain sight, making the existence of the secret invisible to observers. In this session, we will walk through embedding a secret file inside an image, writing a Python password cracker to break it open, and building defenses against modern network vulnerabilities. To follow along, you will need a Linux terminal, Python 3, and several sample target files to act as our covers and payloads. Building a functional defensive playbook requires us to first master the exact tools and techniques used by modern attackers. Cryptography, like the mechanical rotors of this Enigma machine, visibly scrambles the message. Anyone seeing the output knows a secret exists. Steganography is different. It conceals the fact that a communication is even happening. The primary mathematical mechanism for this digital concealment is the least significant bit, or LSB method. In an 8-bit RGB pixel, the LSB method replaces the last bit with your secret binary code. This drops the decimal value from 255 to 254. This 0.002% shift is so minuscule that the human eye cannot detect the distortion. However, these digital masks only protect data while it sits on the drive. If the physical security of the server room is compromised, the mathematical complexity of the file becomes irrelevant. If an unauthorized person can physically reach the hardware to unplug cables or insert a rogue USB, they bypass every network defense we have implemented. Modern security requires a dual focus, defending the complex mathematics of the network while maintaining the physical perimeter of the hardware. We can perform this concealment using StegoSuite. In the GUI, you simply load your target PNG, type your secret message and password, and click Embed. After the process, the final file size remains nearly identical to the original, leaving no obvious footprint for a casual observer to find. For those using the command line, here is the exact syntax for Steghide. This command specifies the cover file, the file to be hidden, and the passphrase needed for extraction. One vital warning: if you save your Stego image using high-lossy compression, you will destroy the very LSB data you just altered. Because compression algorithms simplify pixel data to save space, the hidden message becomes permanently unrecoverable. Because the barrier to hiding these payloads is so low, identifying them within a constant stream of authorized traffic is a major challenge for security teams. If an attacker finds a protected Stego file, they won't waste time with slow, manual brute force guessing. They will use a dictionary attack. This process uses a curated text file of common passwords, testing thousands of them against a target hash in a fraction of the time. We can automate this using Python's hashlib library. This allows us to rapidly process every word in our list into a hash format for comparison. To avoid a common script failure in Python 3, you must encode each word from your list to UTF-8 before passing it into the hashing function. Our script then generates an MD5 hash for each word and compares the resulting hex digest against the target password's hash. Here, the script successfully identifies the password Lil Mama in mere milliseconds. Automated scripting can turn strong passwords into minor speed bumps, which means defenders must assume that any password can eventually be compromised. From a defensive perspective, the question is how we detect these invisible payloads before they cause damage. We have to look for anomalies in network traffic patterns, or use specialized software to detect statistical degradation within media files. Steganography is about hiding payloads inside authorized traffic. Compare that to server-side request forgery, or SSRF, which exploits the trust a server has in its own internal resources. In an SSRF attack, an attacker manipulates a web application's URL input to trick the server into reading its own internal cloud metadata or private database files. While these are technical exploits, statistics show that 65% of attack groups use social engineering and phishing as their primary way to gain an initial foothold in a network. To defend against these entry points, follow this checklist: verify all URLs, watch for generic greetings, ignore artificial urgency, and always enable multi-factor authentication. Effective security requires a layered approach that protects the mathematics, the network architecture, and the human users simultaneously. We have successfully weaponized an image, automated a cracking script, and outlined the core defenses against SSRF and phishing. Now it is your turn. Open your terminal and test the Steghide command for yourself to build practical experience. Take a screenshot of the phishing checklist and ensure your team is trained on these foundational preventative steps. Subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tutorials on ethical hacking and system defense. Integrating the attacker's tools and perspective into your own workflow is a direct way to ensure your defenses are tested against real-world methods.